Colon support explained without extremes. Colon comfort affects the whole day. Energy, mood, digestion. I learned this the slow way. Light gut, steady energy, real relief. This is not a dramatic cleanse, and not a purge. It is what happened when I supported my colon naturally and stopped forcing fast results. The colon has one main job: absorb water, move waste smoothly. According to the Mayo Clinic, regular bowel movement depends on fiber, fluids, and timing. Simple science: fiber feeds gut bacteria. Bacteria produce short-chain fatty acids. These help the colon lining stay strong. This is explained in digestive research. My problem was not blockage. It was sluggish rhythm. Some days fine. Other days heavy and slow. The first change was hydration timing. 1 glass of warm water after waking. Nothing added. This activates the gastrocolic reflex. How it works simply. Warm fluid signals the colon to move. Second came fiber. Not suddenly. Gradually. I used ground flaxseed. 1 teaspoon daily for a week. Then 2. Flax provides soluble and insoluble fiber. Studies in the Journal of Nutrition show it supports stool regularity. Third was movement. A 10-minute walk after meals. WHO Physical Activity Guidance confirms movement supports digestion. Food choices mattered. Cooked vegetables worked best. Pumpkin, zucchini, carrots. Gentle fiber. Easy on the gut. Raw overload did not help me. It caused gas. So I adjusted. Here is an important truth. The colon does not need aggressive cleansing. It needs consistency. Some people react differently. IBS, sensitive gut, or medications change response. Before changing fiber intake, consult your doctor. Especially with bowel conditions. Practical routine was simple. Water in the morning, fiber with meals, daily walking. Possible side notes. Rapid fiber increase may cause bloating. Slow progression prevents discomfort. Tracking progress was clear. Regular timing. Less bloating. Lighter feeling after meals. Fatigue also improved. When digestion became predictable, energy stabilized. This experience changed my mindset. Support beats shock. If this helped you rethink colon care, like the video and share your routine. Gentle habits create lasting comfort.